Eh? Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If this is your first time of stopping by, I say welcome. You're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. To my old subscribers, I say thank you. So for this style, I'm going to start from the down part of it. That's I measured my waist and I doubled the measurement to, then I marked my length. That's all for the down part. Then for the upper part, I'm going to start by deducting 4 inches from my actual measurement, and I marked the remaining one plus 1 inch allowance for folding. Then for the neck width, I marked 3.5 inches. Depending on how wide you want your neck to be, you can increase it or decrease it. Then I went ahead to insert my waist measurement. Then I also inserted my shoulder measurement, then also the shoulder length, which is the armhole length, and remember you are starting from 4 inches for the length, and then I slanted my neckline to meet my armhole. Then for the shoulder length, I'm going to go down by 4 inches, and also from the neck width, I slanted it to meet it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please join the growing family, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also share my videos to family and friends. Then for the back one, the only difference is the neckline that I went down more, and then the zipper allowance. That's the only difference there. For the sewing part, I decided to double my bodies. If you have enough fabric, you can double it. If you do not have, you use your lining to turn it, or you can as well turn it with your bias. So I'm going to double it and then sew it all around, leaving the waistline open. But before sewing it, I'm going to make this fabric stripe to serve as a sleeve. Should I call it sleeve? To serve as a sleeve for the style. Then I'm going to put this inside the bodice before sewing it. This is to cover the rough edges of this stripe. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Just look at the illustration I'm showing, you understand it. Then after sewing it, I'm going to notch that V shape there so that there's no tension there. Then turn this inside out, and I did the same thing for the back one as well. And that's it for the front part. Then after sewing, turning the back one, I'm going to go ahead to join the back together with my pin, just to enable me to shape in the two sides together before joining the down part. Then for the down part, I started by folding the down one, the rough edges in before I gather the up. I like doing that one first before gathering. Then this is after I gather the fabric. I'm going to gather it to match my waist measurement. So I'm going to go ahead to attach attach it to my waist measurement, to my waist, the upper bodies. So this is it after attaching. The next thing is to shape in the remaining part of it, the side part of it, and attach my zip, and that's all. For the slit at the front part, what I did is to measure the waistline and I divided it into 3. So from one part of it is from the side, one part of the side is where I'm going to open this and then turn the slit inside to cover the rough edges. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share my videos to family and friends. Bye bye.